How to use Monday.com as a CRM. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Monday.com as a CRM. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who didn't know, Monday.com is an all-in-one tool that you can use to pretty much do anything you want. You can use it to manage projects. You can use to task management, HR, operations, marketing, whatever you want to do, you can do it with Monday.com, and it is also free. You can go ahead and use it for however long you want. There are also plans for Monday.com, which I will get to at the end, but for now let me just show you how it basically works. So sign up, all you have to do is just simply click on get started over here, and once you've clicked on get started, just simply enter in the email address or continue with Google. So click on continue, and once you've done that, just simply enter in your full name, your password, and your account name, and agree to their terms and services, and click on continue. And once you've done that, they basically ask you what brings you here, so just answer their questions. So we'll just say we're here for work, and what best describes your current role, we'll just say team leader, and over here click on continue, and then they're going to ask you how many people are on your team. So we'll just say 6 to 10, and how many people work at your company, we'll say 1 to 19, and then we'll just simply click on continue. And then what would you like to manage first? So over here you have a bunch of different options over here. So you have product management, operation, constructions, marketing, software development, promo, nonprofits, finance, and all of the other ones, but we're here for sales and CRM, right? So we're going to choose sales and CRM. We're going to click on continue. Then over here, what would you like to focus on? Contact management, quote lines, invoice, custom projects, or whatever. We want to have a sales pipeline, and for the workflow we can go with other ones as well. We have project management, sure, we can continue with that. Then over here we have lead management as well. We'll click on that and click on continue. Although you don't even have to do this, you can go ahead and skip this as well, because later on we can create our own board as well. So for now we'll just simply click on continue, and over here, how did you hear about us, we'll just say YouTube ad and click on continue. And over here, they're basically going to ask you to add your team members over here. So you can go ahead and add your email over here for your team members, and you can choose the role, whether you want them to be an admin or a member. You can choose whichever one you want. Just simply add in their email address over here and click on invite team, or you can do this later. And we're going to do this later. I'm going to show you how by going into our dashboard, right? So over here, we're just going to enter in our name for their board. So we'll just say demo right now, and we'll just simply click on next. And then we want, what would you like to manage in demo? So we would like to have clients, and we would like to have leads as well. Actually, leads is much better. So we'll click on leads and click on continue. This month and next month, you can choose whichever one you want. So let's just say this is the month of May, and this was the April month, and click on next. And over here we'll just say lead 1, lead 2, and boom. Then it's going to go ahead and create a template and set up all the other necessary things that you would need, and boom, you are good to go. So you've created your own board. Of course you didn't have to create your own board, but this is how it looks like. So now over here, this is your dashboard, this is your workspace over here, and in workspace you have your folders, and in folders you have your board. So this is the board right here. Now this is all pretty well and done, but we wanted to create another one from the template. So we'll just simply click over here onto these 3 buttons over here, and we'll just simply click on add a new workspace as well, or you could just simply go back to your home page, and over here you will see all of your recent workspaces over here. So this is your main workspace, this is over here, this is added over there, but we want to create a new workspace. So what we'll do is we'll come over here, but before we do that, I do have to confirm my email address. So this is very important, you have to confirm your email address. So let me just go ahead and do that. Right, this is the email address over here. Just simply click on confirm, and you are good to go. And here we are. So this is how it looks like. Now what we want to do is we want to go into workspaces. Now over here we want to create a new workspace. So we'll just simply click on add workspace over here. We'll just say CRM. All right, you can make it closed or open, it all depends on you, and we'll just keep it open for now and click on create workspace. Now we have our CRM workspace over here. Now what we need to do is we need to add from a template, or you can continue with scratch. But since we are here to, add a CRM and use a CRM, we're going to pick that one. But if you are here for another thing, then you can go ahead and see we have a bunch of different categories over here. As I said, marketing, content, documents, sales, CRM, all of that. We can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and click on sales and CRM. And over here, we have a bunch of different ones. So we have CRM, we have marketing activity, customer project. We also have real estate CRM. So for example, if you were in a different niche or a different category, and your business was of a different field, then let's say real estate, then you can go ahead and use the real estate CRM as well. But for now, we want to have CRM, so we'll just go ahead and do that. Or let me just actually search. Maybe there is a simple CRM as well. We'll just continue with the standard CRM. We'll just simply click over here. This is how it looks like. And as you can see, these are all the things it's integrated with. So we have MailChimp, we have HubSpot, we have Facebook ads, Salesforce, Google Calendar, and Gmail as well. So it will be integrated with all of these applications as well. You don't have to worry about that. And then just simply click on use template and then wait for the template to be created, and we'll move on. All right, so now that that's done, this is how it looks like. So as I said before, you have your workspace over here, and in your workspace you have your folders, and in your folders you have your board. So these are all your boards. This is your folder, and in that folder you have all your boards. So you have deals, you have contacts, you have accounts, you have leads. Over here you have activities, you have CRM learning center, and sales dashboard as well. So this is basically the CRM learning system, center. Over here you get the full overview of a CRM. You get all these different videos that are uploaded by monday.com. So if you wanted to really go in depth and learn every single little thing, then you can go over here and view that. But for now, this is how it looks like. So over here in deals, you will have all of your boards and activity organized by different things. So this is a board. As you can see, we have active deals over here, deal number 1, deal number 2, deal number 3. And over here we will have our owners. You can add in different assignees over here. Their contact numbers are going to be over here, their accounts are going to be over here, and their stages are going to be over here. So this is a lead, this is a proposal, and this is a negotiation, and their priorities are going to be set over here, and the deal length is set over here for the days, and we have the value as well. So this deal is worth $70,000, 122, and 78,000 over here. Close probability, meaning that we have like 90% chance that we can close this deal, and we can close this deal as well, but we only have 50% chance for this one. And forecast value is going to be 63, 109, and all of that. And then you have your deadline as well set over here. Let me just move it across. As you can see, we have close date, actual deal value, and deal creation and location. So as you can see, it is pretty organized, pretty well thought of. You can go ahead and add whatever you want. And then you have closed deals over here. So as you can see, you have your active deals over here, you have your closed deals, and then you can create a new group as well, and you can call that the deals that were lost or whatever. And over here, as you can see, you don't even need to do that because we already have stages. So if it was lost, then you just have to switch it to lost, and then that deal will be lost, and it will give you, it will be in red, and the probability is low because they're already closed. So we don't even need that over there. So as you can see, everything is very nice and simple and organized. Then you have your contacts over here. So if you have, like, let's say in contact, a list, you can add them over here. As you can see, you will have the title, you have the priority, you have your numbers, the emails, you have your companies over here, and deals, values, and comments over there as well. Same goes with accounts. Everything is going to be neat and organized. So everything basically you need to get started, you will have in the CRM over here. So as you can see, monday.com is a pretty amazing software, and that you can use to do anything you want. So it's pretty amazing. Now let's go ahead and jump into the pricing section of monday.com. So the pricings are going to be set over here. So you have your seats. For each seat, it's going to be a different price. So let's just say that you have 5 seats. For 5 seats, you have 4 plans over here. Actually, you have 5 plans over here. You have the free plan, you have the basic, the standard, the pro, and the enterprise. So in the free plan, you only get up to 2 seats. You can't have more seats than that. And in the free plan, you get unlimited boards, unlimited documents, 200 templates, over 20 column types, 2 team members, and iOS and Android application for both. But in the basic one, which is going to be $8 per seat, All right, and the total is going to be $40 because you have 5 seats available. And for this one, you get unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, all of the other stuff that I said in the previous plan as well. And then on top of that, you get 5 GB file storage, prioritize customer support, and create a dashboard based on one board. And then we have the standard one where it's going to be $10 per seat. Since you have 5 seats, it's going to be $50, and it's going to include basic and plus. And over here, it's going to have like timeline plus Gantt view, calendar view, guest access, automations, integrations, and create a dashboard that combines up to 5 boards, and then so on. You will have Pro One. This is worth $16 per seat per month. It's going to be $80 per month total, and it's going to be billed annually as well if you wanted to go to that route. And over here in this one, you get private boards and documents, cart views, time tracking, formula column, dependency column, automations, integrations, over 25,000 actions per month, and over 25,000 actions per month for both integrations and automations. You can create a board that combines up to 10 boards as well, which is pretty amazing. Then you have enterprise, and for this one, to get a proper feel of it, you will need to contact them, and this will include pretty amazing stuff. You will get enterprise scale automation integration, enterprise grade security and governance, advanced reporting and analytics, multi-level permissions, tailored onboarding, premium support, and create a board that combines up to 50 boards. So these are all the things that you needed to know about, and now you can go ahead and pick whichever plan you want. It all depends on you. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.